This video is about how to use the output and inputs from the PLC device. So this area here is for the inputs and this area here is for the outputs. So I'm gonna make a simple project here and I'm going to copy this down and connect them with the upper one. So the most important thing here is when I choose double click and this contact and choose it, the most important thing here is I have to choose system variables. If I choose default, then I can nothing see and there will nothing show up on this list below here. But if I choose system variables, there is some variables here. So I can write onboard input bit 0 and here onboard input bit 1, and it's the output onboard output bit 0, onboard output bit 1. So I'm going to download this program to my PLC and I can turn on the debug menu to see the change from the screen. I'm going to give the input 1 and the output 1 is turned on and I can see it from the screen either. So if I turn the second input on, then the second output is also going to on.